Hello once again to everyone on YouTube. This here is another Toastmaster box fan. This is the model 5373. As you can see, it's got the same cabinet as the plastic bladed one. It's got the 3-wing metal blades. Yeah, this is the one box fan, McGraw Edison box fan I have with the combination of the Venturi and the 3-wing metal blades. Here's the model tag, model 5373, and this was made in a different plant. This is made at the Toastmaster plant. So this is part of the Toastmaster division of McGraw Edison. Which is in Elgin, Illinois. And it still says Boonville, Missouri on the tag. I guess McGraw Edison main headquarters were stationed there. And this fan has its original box. Unfortunately, the art on the box is faded. You can hardly read what's on there. Toastmaster 20-inch floor fan. Three-speed dial control. Manually reversible, model 5373. Though you can't see it very well, the diagram on the box shows one with the 5-wing plastic blade. Like this thing. I forgot to mention in the last video I did of this. If you look at the two blade sets, these look almost like blades on this fan over here. Anyway, and this is also currently the only McGraw Edison box with the later style blade hub where the lines are beveled inwardly. And not only does this have the box, but it's also got the original paperwork. Here's your little instruction. Here's a little hang tag which has the instructions. Toastmaster portable window and floor fans. Here's why your Toastmaster fan is better. Fortunately, the camera can't focus. Some of the specifications. Here are the oil instructions, important safeguards. Warranty information. Toastmaster, a McGraw Edison company division. There's the warranty card. On here it says the company plant is in Elgin, Illinois. There's the registration. Oh yeah, this is the registration card. Here's the warranty information. Hey, I'm trying to do a video. Go on. And here are all the Toastmaster repair plants. see what's on the inside. Oh, just more of the repair center. Here, leave me alone. Pesky cat. Here's the registration or the shipping information. I can't read it, this thing won't focus. Anyway, it's got a date on there of 1/16/74. So this, I believe, was delivered on January 16th, 1974. So it might have been made in late 73, I don't know, but I'll just classify this as a 1974 model. Let's see, and this was delivered to Henry. I'm trying to do a video and this cat wants to keep bothering me. I can't read where it says it was delivered. Oh, it was delivered to a Watt and Shan department store. Never heard of them. And it says the same thing here. Well, let's have an overall look at this thing. As you can see, it's about the same color as the plastic bladed one, but of kind of a richer tone. See if you can see the difference. Yeah, this one's got more richer color to it. Turn around to the back. Unfortunately, it's got some rust on the back grill. And it's got the good old McGraw Edison single piece motor mount like my other two metal bladed boxers and this one does. And it's got the same motor mount as that one. Though high and medium seem to run normal, low runs really slow, and when it does, the motor whines pretty loudly. Yeah, turn this back around. As you can see, it's got the same Toastmaster decal. It's got the same McGraw Edison handle. And this is the knob that, there's the knob. This is what I believe this one's supposed to have instead of that black thing. As you can see, it's got the Toastmaster logo and symbol, and then there are the speeds off, high, medium, and low. It's my clock. I had to get this done before they all went off. Okay, now for the operation. Here's high. Just like the plastic bladed one, this one really throws out the air. Maybe a little more air since these are metal blades. And I like the way this hub looks when it's spinning. Yeah, high seems to run normal. Medium runs normal too. And here's low. Yeah, this is what I mean by how slow it runs. As you can see, it runs really slow. And the motor makes this whining noise. Close up of how it sounds. Anyway, back to high. And off. And the coast down time is just a bit quick. As I said, Val told me this edition of the McGraw Edison motors have bearing issues. I did tear into it, but I tried to fix as best I could, but to no avail. But I guess it's okay as it is. Anyway, this is my 1974 Toastmaster model 5373. Might be the same for this, though it has the 5-wing plastic blade, I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching.